Hey there, it's Trisha with Easy Emini Trade, and I wanted to go over um, the fact that we talk all the time about keeping track of your trades and how important it is. And the reason it's important is obviously so you have a record of not only the trades that you're taking, but also putting information down to help you further in analyzing your trades. What type of trades are you taking? What type of trades are you consistently having trouble with? Are you getting in late? Are you getting out early? Do your trades continually run after you get out? Are you sticking to your plan? Are your targets getting hit? So all those things need to be kept track of. And someone in the room shared this trading journal with me slash spreadsheet. Didn't share it, give it to me, but shared the site with me so I could check it out. And I bought it a few days ago, and it is just awesome. And here it is. What I'll do is I'll put the link to the site down in the description on this YouTube video that you're watching, as well as if you go to my site over to the left, you'll see a link to it as well. And you guys know that I don't push any products ever, ever. But this will make your analyzing and tracking so easy. You can see here, this is just the very first sheet, and it's an Excel sheet, and so it's pretty easy to do. I'm not proficient in Excel other than being able to input my different trades and so forth. But he makes it so easy and user-friendly. You'll notice here these little red triangles up here. All you do is hover over it, and it will pop up instructions on what you're looking at. It's really simple to do. It looks like a typical trading sheet. Of course, it will keep track of everything for you, but also on this tracking page down here, you'll input some specific information on the types of trades that you're taking. So you can put in the entry strategy that it was, the direction of the trade, what time frame chart you were looking at, the trade category with the trend, against it, basically trend, counter trend, or sideways. What was your exit strategy? A spot here for error type, so you can keep track of, maybe you keep getting out too early or you get in too late. And so by keeping track of some of the errors that you're making, you can see where your weaknesses are. You can see where your strengths are. Also, you can put over here a journal entry comments or your journal exit comments. Then if you go here to tracking, you'll see here that it'll keep track of whatever you're looking to trade. It will keep track of the number of trades you're taking on each of those, your profit and loss, your win ratio, your win percentage, your payoff ratio, expectancy, frequency. And here's your error window, the types of errors. How many trades did you take maybe that were you entered too late? How often is that happening? How much did it cost you by making that error? It just covers everything. I'm just totally amazed at the work that he's put into this. And like I said, it's so easy to follow. Here's an average price calculator, whereas if you're exiting in thirds, you can put your lot 1, lot 2, lot 3, and it will give you the average. So this way you're just inputting one entry on your trading log. Expectancy gives you the instructions on what you're going to be putting in there. Drawdown, again, instructions everywhere telling you what's going in each box. Milestones for your highest trade win, negative events, additional stats, etc. And this is a trade sheet that you can actually print and just use it to write in your trades. So this way, if you don't want to keep the Excel sheet open during the day and try to input your trades while you're trading, this way you input by hand on this sheet, and then you just go back at the end of the day and plot them on your Excel sheet. And this here keeps track at a glance of what you're looking at. So basically, if you read this, the sheet is meant to consolidate your performance trackers into an orderly format so you can print them and use as a reference when filling out your trade sheet. So this will help you to have everything at a glance on what your different codes are. So he, like I said, has covered everything. He is a trader, which obviously being a trader, he knows what we're all looking for. And I think it's definitely well worth the money. You can prepare your own spreadsheet, but it will not compare by any comparison. So anyway, check it out. Like I said, the link will be down below this video in the description on YouTube, or just go to my site and over to the left you'll see the link. So I hope that helps, and if you have any questions you can certainly send me an email.